Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna be installing this radiator guard. I just picked this up on eBay for only like 40 bucks, so it's pretty cheap. I figured I'd get one of these just to protect the radiator from rocks and anything else that could potentially damage it. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install it, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Alright, so the first step is you're gonna take a 4mm hex bolt or hex screw, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna go ahead and remove this because these panels here on both sides are gonna get removed, so that way we have better access to the radiator. Alright, so after you take that first bolt out, there's 3 pop pins or pop caps. There's two here in the front, and then one here. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop those out. Alright, so now we're gonna do the same for the other side. So go ahead and remove the bolt down here. Alright, so next what I'm gonna do is take out the radiator guard, and I'm gonna apply these foam cushions that came with it. This just helps reduce vibration. So there should be 4. Alright, so these will actually go on the back here. Alright, so we're gonna put these foam pieces in the corner. So I place them down like this, so that way when the zip ties come in, it won't like interfere with the cushions. So that way they're just right next to it. Alright, so make sure those are on there good. And let's go to the next step. Alright, so the next step is putting in the zip ties into the radiator. So, let me see. So you're gonna want to put these in certain columns. So 1, 2, 3. All right, so it's gonna be the 3rd slot. You're gonna put those into the 3rd slot. All right, so once you have your zip ties in, you're gonna want to go ahead and place the radiator inside. All right. All right, so we're not gonna tighten it down yet. And now the bottom. Got it all lined up. So now we can tighten down all the zip ties. All right, so got all the zip ties tightened down. And yeah, this is how it's looking. So now all I have to do is cut the zip ties and we're all set. All right, so got the zip ties cut And now the last thing you just need to do is put the covers back on both sides, and you're all set to go. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace.